Look at these really nice pot holder lids. They hold 3 lids on each door, and they come with 2 different installation options. You can screw them in, or you can just use the stickers. I used the stickers. They held super great, and this really helped declutter my space underneath my stovetop. And I think they look nice, and they don't take up a lot of space, like once you shut the door, which I liked. And I was really impressed with how sturdy and how stable this is. I mean, they're not going anywhere. And this is something I've wanted to add for a long time. I love organizers, so this was definitely a nice upgrade. And these were gifted to me in exchange for my review. And just really pleased overall with this organizer. And if you decide that you want to do the installation with the screws, it comes with everything you need to do that as well. Everything is included. It's got instructions. Everything's there.